Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. We got a new week. Last week, quick correction, I forgot to mention that it was barbecue sides for the challenge. So I did mac and cheese, which goes phenomenal with barbecue, so it kind of worked out. And I'm actually going to be doing something, if you saw the title of the video, I'm doing ranch cornbread, which I've never had before, never made before. So it potentially could suck. If you're wondering what you're hearing I'm right here, I'm cooking up some bacon. So I'm going to use a little bit of the grease and some of the bacon in the cornbread. I'm adding to the recipe even though it doesn't call for it. Because who doesn't like cheese and bacon and everything? I mean, come on. Then I've got a corn on the cob because it's in season. And then I'm going to be doing, I got some panko here. I'm going to do some panko coated chicken. And when it comes out of the oven, I'm going to put a little barbecue sauce on it and some cheddar cheese, and that should be hopefully good. So let's get to my bacon going. I do scrambled eggs for breakfast, and I just keep my bacon in here. So I purposely cook bacon for breakfast. So I got a counter full of crap. So let's go ahead and mix the cornbread together. So it's one box of Jiffy Cornbread. It's going to be uno huevos, or one egg, and then a full cup of ranch dressing. We're just going to go with it, I guess. Okay. Scrape all that goodness out. Yeah, see, I cannot see the news screen. There we go. So 400-degree oven. So it's going to bake for 20 minutes. But I also want to throw in some bacon bits in here and also some cheddar cheese in here too. So this is almost done. Alright, so this is not in the original recipe. I'm just making this up. So I'm going to throw in maybe, what, half a cup plus cheddar cheese and some of this pepper bacon. And then I want to put in a few spoonfuls of bacon grease to lubricate the pan. Just going to use a paper towel to... There we go. And then we'll just go ahead and alright, let's get this in the oven. 20 minutes at 400. Not the first time doing this is why I didn't show a lot of the process, because like I just said, done this before. So I supposed to be flour dredged first and I threw it right in the egg. Dang. So Like I said, I just want to basically start this in the pan and then fry it up a little bit, and then basically brown it and then bake it is my ultimate goal. So it'll be nice and crispy coming out of the pan or coming out of the oven. Then I'll throw some barbecue sauce on it. I was just gonna do a piece of baked chicken, but I thought, no, that's kind of boring. Maybe I should do panko. Alright. Give this chicken a turn. Oh, nice color. It's almost like, kind of like color schnitzel. Which makes me want schnitzel now. This one could be a little bit more colored, but it's alright. We just hit 20 minutes on the cornbread. Oh man, look at that color on that. Make sure it's done all the way. Why did that sink like that? Well, it's poking clean, but that part there concerns me a bit. Well, maybe the heat carryover will finish it off. So. Yes, yes, yes. Beep, beep, beep. I really like to know why that one looks so much nicer than that one. Dang. Could this be the size of it? There's like a little dough patch in the middle of the bread, so went ahead and pulled it. Or put it back in for a few. I'm actually going to put the chicken in right next to it, I think. So, scoot that over. Pop that in the oven. So pull the cornbread off camera. Check my chicken. Make sure it's cooked all the way, because I don't want to get sick. Oh yeah, it's done. Sweet. Check the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh, shut up. Alright, I just want to finish this off. With a little bit of cheese. I'll just pop that back in the oven for a few, just to let it melt. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the cornbread, because that was kind of the star of the video. I'm a little nervous about it because the bottle said it was expired of March of this year, and it's June. So, hoping it doesn't send me to the bathroom with an issue. Really hoping. So. You know, Well, first of all, it's really good, but you know, ranch is such a strong flavor. I was thinking that the ranch would kind of overpower the rest of the stuff, but it's actually really good. Wow, really good. Yeah, I call that a win. Yeah. So here's that chicken. So it's just got the panko batter baked, and then melted cheddar, and I just put a little Sweet Baby Ray's on top. Cause I wanted it a little crispy. So. Oh man. It's really good. And then the cornbread is outstanding too. Anyway, I'm gonna go sit down and eat dinner, enjoy my meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to catch the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. It will be in the description as well as the end card, which might be popping up right now. And have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one.